Good day guys, and welcome to another video from Forex. This is where we break down the chart using the pure price action without any indicators. We analyze the chart without bombarding our chart with any form of indicator whatsoever. We look at the pure price action, read it from left to right, determine exactly where the market is heading, and then see exactly how we can take advantage of it. So in this video I will be talking about Nzdchf. So I've gotten two charts opened up on my screen here. So the screen is partitioned. To the left side here you have Nzdchf, the daily time frame. This left side here is the chart is on the daily time frame, while the chart to the right is on the 4-hour time frame. So the essence of doing it this way is for me to see the universe above, which is what is happening on the daily, and then one step lower, which is the immediate lower to the daily time frame, which is 4 hours. You see the little details of what is happening on the on the one step lower, the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame in this case now. So the essence of doing it this way is for me to have a bit of a tighter stop loss. I use this 4 hours for the momentum, and then for me to do a proper timing so that I can have a little bit of a risk, and then see how I can maximize the result. So please guys, before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that whenever these videos are being released like this, you will always be the first to see it. And then whatever I posted here, I want you guys to always go and monitor the chart, because these are live trades, these are live analysis. I will be looking forward to take a trade based on the analysis I'm doing on this very pair this week. Today is Sunday evening now, so in the this is one of the trades I will be looking forward to take in the course of this week, probably maybe between Monday, Tuesday, if the setup comes up, and I will be doing the trade, and I will still post the trade or probably the post analysis of it thereafter. So please guys, subscribe so that you can always keep up with these things as they unfold. So without so much ado, let's quickly dive into what exactly is happening on this chart. So if you look at the daily time frame right here on the left, you can see that the market has been in a downtrend for the uptrend time. Let's see exactly how it has been going down. You can look at it from here. See, market started all the way from here, then it collapsed down all the way to this point, break this support here. There's a support right there. Then market pull back like that, then break down, break this support here again, goes down. What does that tell you? Tell you that on this daily time frame right here now, this market is clearly on the downtrend. A downtrend means series of a lower low, lower high, meaning that the market goes down like that, then the buyers comes in for a pullback like that, then market goes down again, then it pulls back like that, then it goes down again. So which means the low here gets lower, the low here gets lower, and the high here gets lower like that. So it comes down like that, then the low gets lower like that. That is what we call a downtrend in the market. So in this case now, you can clearly see that it's in a downtrend, and when the market is in a downtrend, what do? We look for the pullback for the buyers to come in, and then see how you can sell to them again. You don't want to sell when the market is at the worst price, down here or down here or down here, but you want to see how the buyers come in, and then see how their momentum dies out, and then see how you can rejoin the overall sell, which is a direction. You always hear them saying that the trend is your friend, don't go against the trend. This is exactly what it means, because when the market is trending like this, it's a bit of it's a little bit easy. Just wait for the pullbacks to come in, read the momentum dies out, and then see how you can join the trend again. So now we can see on the daily time frame that the market is clearly in a downtrend. So now my job is at least, okay, let's look at the little details of exactly. So when the market gets to this, when it pull back like this again and then break down to give us another lower low like that, then market gets to this bottom here and it started to range. This is the daily time frame now. You know, see how long he has taken here. Has been going sideways, you know. Here it goes sideways, it go lower, but now here is going sideways, but it's not going lower again to give us another low. So what is simply happening here is the fact that we don't forget that this is the guy that started this move that break the support here to push market down all the way to this point. So as long as the market hasn't come to hold above this guy here, above this red line here, it means that any pullback that still comes in, you know, is for us to still try and do a sell on this market, you know. So now that it has been going sideways, then I want to see the momentum of this sideways and see exactly how the buyers come in, to see exactly how I can take advantage of it. Now I'm right here on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see exactly how the pullback comes in quickly. You can see that this is the sideways here, this is it. It was going sideways, and right at this point in time, market started to give us a trend. Look at it, the minute uptrend now coming for this seller. Don't forget, guys, the seller is still here. Then it pull back, then it goes up again higher, then it pulls back to that support, the minute support right there. Support coming all the way from here, it goes up again, and then what do you see? Come crashing. You know, when the market gives you that a V formation or 100% or 110 or 20% reverse like that, it's telling you something that the momentum of this buyer that has been going up is dying out. And coupled with the fact that hey, this is the original seller that pushed the market down. So what this tells me now is the fact that it seems like these people selling here, they are still much more interested in this sell after all. So now look at it from that point, the market has been going sideways. But all these are happening at the mercy of this seller that push price down. So now it has been going sideways. Let me clear this up a bit so that we can zoom out and see exactly what is going on there. You know, let's see. So market was going, now market now started to go sideways. Look at another sideways here, range. But the range is happening at the mercy of that seller right there, the seller right here on the daily. So what I'm looking at is, look at this pin bar. I mean, look at this faker, guys. You know, try to go up, come back to this range. Now this is the mini range on the 4 hours. So now what I'm looking forward to see probably come into Monday or Tuesday is the fact that I need this market to come crash it down here again now. And if the buyers come in within this range, you know, or anywhere outside of this range, come back struggling a bit, you know, any other faker around here again, I will get into this sell. The first target will be obviously down to this mini support here, and I will be looking forward to see if I can at least ride this market all the way to the previous low, which is the overall low here. Because look at the way it has pulled back now, just like I was explaining here, how it comes down almost 100%. Now the pullback here comes in very deep. Look at the pullback here, very shallow. But look at the pullback here now, this pullback that is coming up very deep. So if it goes down again now, if it couldn't break this level, apparently this market could be turning into a range. You know, but the fact still remains that I will still be looking forward to another sell somewhere around here in the course of this week, and see if I can at least take it down to this below again. So this is exactly how you want to look at the simple analysis of the market and then take advantage of it and maximize your profit. So even if this trade didn't go to my favor, at least I will have a minimal risk. Look at the kind of the risk, because a sell somewhere around this area with my stop loss just to this point, to this area, and with a potential of a profit down to this part, to give me about 3 to 4 rewards to 1 risk. So guys, subscribe to this channel so that you can always see the videos like this. Thank you guys. Cheers.